Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2016 on a 16 registered wheelchair adapted Peugeot Partner Horizon with an allied conversion. This is the AdBlue HDI Euro 6 version, which is becoming more and more increasingly popular, especially towards taxi drivers that are operating from councils, i.e. in London with a PCO licence, where the authority stipulate it has to be Euro 6. As you'll see from this short video, the vehicle's in grade A condition, as is with all of our wheelchair access vehicles, or WAVs as they're commonly known. A nice blue and grey interior, not changed much since the Euro 5 models. So it's just the shape of the outside, the grille, and obviously from Euro 5 to Euro 6. So here's the cockpit here. We've got your AC button, the air recirculating to make it run more efficiently, direction of the airflow, the fan speed, and of course the temperature. Got the radio CD here, quite easy to use, 6 preset buttons on there. It's a 5-speed manual gearbox. Got your electric window switches here and here, hazard warning lights, and your child locking, self-locking from the inside for your own safety. Coming round to here, the seats have got their own individual armrest. So if you are the type of person that uses an armrest for extra comfort, you can do so. It's a 5-seat version. So with the fold flat ramp that I'll show you in a sec, it can be used as a regular vehicle. Each of these individual seats, just by lift that lever up, the backrest comes down, and there's a bar at the back, so you can tip the seat out of the way. That'll put it in that position. It's got a leg on it which just folds down quite easily. So these individual seats can be tipped and folded out the way, so depending on the size of the wheelchair or the scooter, you can seat up to 4 people plus a wheelchair passenger. So coming round the back here, we have the wheelchair ramp in its folded flat status. Sorry, I couldn't get that out properly there. So you've got this arm here, just simply pull that. That then takes this flap out of the way to expose the bifold part of the ramp. Very cleverly designed. Then just pull that out, and there we go. And there you have, quite easily, the wheelchair ramp. So it's a 4-point fixing as is standard. Got the 2 rear fixings there. This here is the electric winch if you need extra assistance in getting the wheelchair user in. And at the front there's one, and there's one on the other side, which is the electric belts. So the winch is quite simple. It's operated out and in just on that remote. Very, very easily to use. We will give you a full demonstration when you come to pick the car up or come to visit us, or we visit you. So we do home viewings. If you want to discuss that, give us a call on 01634 716 911. They're the rear parking sensors. Twin sliding side doors. So you've got privacy glass, so that is manufactured, it's not tint, so it can't be removed. So if you are a taxi driver, you need to talk to your council to see whether they'll accept it. They should do, really, because as I say, it's very expensive, and they all come with privacy glass as standard in the manufacturers now. So at the back here you got a table with cup holders, one on each side of that. See a lovely Kianos blue, excellent condition throughout. We will not be beaten on price. That is one thing we're proud of. So if you do see a like-for-like vehicle and you think that that's cheaper than the one that we're selling, please contact us. We will beat the price, and we don't like to be beaten on price, so we will beat the price. Even if we have to lose money on the car, we'll still beat the price. So give us a call, 01634 716 911. We can do part exchange. Doesn't have to be wheelchair access, and we could also do finance. So all of that can be discussed. You can drop us an email via the website, which is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. Or if you want to come and make an appointment and come along and see us in person, have a look at the vehicles, etc., and discuss all your options. We're based in Medway in Kent, in a little place called Wainscott. Postcode's ME2 4RL, and we're at Cooling Road Service Station. Thanks for watching. We look forward to